I'm here at the Riga Central Market. This is something similar to Lonsdale up in North Vancouver or many of the other central markets. There's another central market I went to in Budapest, which is much, much larger than this and much busier. Mind you, this is a early Sunday afternoon. Looks like people are coming here after church. And let's see what they have. This over here, this seems to be the part where all the fish and seafood is. Let's go take a look at how things are at their market. There's a little deli over here. Here in Riga, people use the euro. Similar to other parts of Europe. A lot of smoked fish. This stuff smells fantastic, depending if you like fish or not. A lot of herring. Some fruits in here. I could imagine things are going to be a little expensive as far as fruits are concerned, not like when I was in Italy. Nice presentation. Let's look at all the raw stuff. Oh, they have eel. That's the stuff I was looking for. Look at that. Oh, I think it's still alive. That one was moving. Oh, look at that one. She's bagging one up. looks like salmon. Oh, I love prawns. Look at the size of that. $58.50 per kilo. Oh no, 58 euros and 50 cents per kilo of caviar. Russians would love that. What is that? Oh, it's calamari. That's a different way of making calamari. It's a whole lot more quiet than when I was in Italy. People here aren't singing and making noise. Look, they put all sorts of stuff on their fish and then they smoke it. In Canada, we put all sorts of stuff in our marijuana, then we smoke it. Got some more fruits over here. A lot of canned and prepackaged seafood. Peppers. Looks like the ingredients to make coleslaw. Who the hell eats coleslaw anyways? What is that? What the hell is that? Russian approved caviar, smoked eel. It's nice because the people here in the market, they don't have a cigarette hanging out of their mouth like you see in Sicily. see what else is in this market. You know, you can't have a market without nuts. So they do have some restaurants in here. I found a Chinese restaurant, of course, a Chinese restaurant in Riga. It's called the best Peking duck in town. I don't know, I've had some damn good Peking duck. So, let's see, over here's the gastronomy pavilion. Let's see what they have here. Spanillas Preses. So this is like the Spanish section. I don't see any Spaniards here. I wonder if I asked them if they have basura for sale. Hey, do you have any basura for sale? I'm looking for some Spanish basura. Pelmeni dumplings. Got some cheese. There's always alcohol to drink here. What's they have? They have pelmeni dumplings, zupa good, pankukas, pancakes. Oh, I could go for a pancake right now. Pickberg, which is, I don't know what the hell that is. La Beatrice. Pizza, hot dogs, hamburgers, street food. Yeah, I definitely think they have basura on sale at that one. Papa potato. I'll have me some of that potato. Donuts. Having donuts on a Sunday afternoon. Karsti Prazzini. Let's turn around, see what else they have here. We have some souveniri. I think this is primarily a cash-based area, but looks like some of the places here take debit. Well, this looks good, damn. But after being in Italy for so long, I don't want to eat any more sweet stuff. Oh my goodness. Here's the good stuff right here. Check this out. Oh yeah, boy. Lots of cheese. Some dried fruit. Nuts. I have my own, thank you. Some other baked goods, some herbal teas, medicines, spices. Cakes. We have Partica Desiderini, which is packaged sweet stuff. We got lots of bread. I'm sick of bread. Never really liked bread. Anyways, Illy is a commonplace. See that all over Europe. I don't want pizza, damn. I was in Italy for nearly a month, so I don't want any damn pizza. Another herbal place, herbal tea place. Oh, they got yogurt. I love German yogurt. Well, it's not really yogurt, but there's a German thing that looks like yogurt, tastes like yogurt, but it's called quark. And I think it's actually similar to ricotta cheese, and I love it. See what they have in this side of the market.